Where you murdering a beat.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I never thought I'd be doing this, so nervous on the first time obviously. I thought I'd take you for a walk around of my 2015 Fiesta ZETEC S Black Edition. So if I spin the camera around and we go for a walk around and you can see what it looks like with all the mods on. As you can see, it's a 2015 65 plate ZETEC S Black Edition. It's finished in, I think it's Panther Black with Race Red. Ford then changed that in 2016 on the ST lines to Shadow Black and Race Red. As you can see, I've branded it the ZETEC S model. That's because before 2016 Ford used ZETEC S as the line below the ST, I guess. ZETEC S was only a UK market, hence why in 2016 they changed it to ST line. That then opened the opportunities worldwide as people recognised ST line more than they would ZETEC S, obviously. As you can see, I've put the Triple R Composites front splitter on. It's got roller plates, a little less in the grille. I've also got the off CE UK, I've got their eyebrows on the car. Eyebrows definitely give it a meaner look to the car, especially when you look at it from an angle like that. I've also finished off with the two red pinstripes on the bonnet. By doing that, I just think it gives a more sportier look, especially from the front as you look forward to it. Walk around the car to the wheel. I've got the black and red Ford gel badges. They were originally blue, so you can see that it wouldn't have worked against the contrast of the car. I've got the black and red little Union Jacks there. I've also got a Henry Ford sticker there that's similar to what Mercedes do, by putting Benz in the bottom of their window. I've got an attention seeker sticker. I thought that matched the car very well considering it's black and red. I've also got the sequential indicators on the side. Bit of an Audi style, but I like it. I've got the Team Heco wind deflectors with a red pinstripe running all the way around. Highlights the car a bit more from the side profile. Just shows a bit more off of what it looks like, I guess, on the side. I've got the gel S badges as well on the wings. Definitely noticeable. You can see it. You can see it's a bit more clearer now. Got obviously my Instagram sticker, my Instagram name, and a little Instagram love heart on there. I also tinted the rear lights on this car. I thought they were very bright red from standard. I just thought it added a bit more of a meaner look, especially when you're looking from a back angle like that. I've got a Maxton designed spoiler lip on the back. Definitely sets the back off for sure. Gives it much more presence from the rear, especially when you've got a low angle and you're looking up to the car. I've also got the Triple R Composites rear spats. As you can see either side. Finish the rear off with the red pinstripe running all the way around the back. So from the back, just looks a bit like a face really. You can see the roller 3D gel plates on the rear with a red stripe running between them. Also the ZETEC S badge with a 140 acrylic gel badge as well. Eco Beast to replace the Eco Boost silver badge on the back. I just thought that was a bit more of a different touch. You don't really see many, I don't think, with that anyway. The red and black Fiesta Edition Owners Club on Facebook. I've got their little sticker on my window as well, along with the dope graphics reflective gel Instagram sticker. Calvin's Car Diaries on it. I've also got the Fiesta brake light sticker. So obviously when you brake, the Fiesta light shows. As you can see, the tinted tail light again. Further we get around, I've got another Instagram sticker there, so it's on all the way around the car. Get to the inside. On the inside, as you can see, I've got the gel vent surrounds in here. Also got a red pinstripe running sort of around the little display unit and across the little CD player. Definitely gives it a bit of a offset against the black. I've also put a little red marker between where the it would usually be silver, but I put it a little wrap in red, just so it'll be different on the interior. Also got two little red pinstripes around the passenger airbag display sign. As you can see, it's gloss black in here. That's a difference between the ZETEC S and the ST line. The ZETEC S came with gloss black, sort of piano black interior trim, whereas the ST line comes with a matte black finish. It runs all the way around down here, all the way around the gear stick, and also onto the steering. Red and black Ford gel bash to tie in with the exterior ones. I've also got the little black edition bottom spoke marker. Just sort of gives a bit of a uniqueness in here. I've also put red pinstripe around the door handle. I just thought when the doors open, it's just a bit more cooler and add something to the gloss black, so it's not just so dull, effectively. As you can see, the little S's on this side as well. I've also got underground parts, I think they're called. I've got their fog light surrounds. That's just a little option I thought I liked, and it gives it a better look over the plastic honeycomb ones, in my opinion. I've also, for the lights in there, I've got CUK's LED fog lights. They're much better than the standard ones, just for looks really, in my personal opinion. I finished the little fog lights around with 2 red pinstripes as well, just to highlight, stick out sort of parts on it. I've also got auto beams, hazard lights, indicator bulbs, hazard lights all the way around the car except for the mirror. So if I just got the hazards on, as you can see, the auto beam ones are much brighter, so they're much safer on the road, and I just think they're much cooler than the standard ones as well. If we have a look at the mirror, you can see the sequential Audi style going off. Just gives it a much more classier look, in my opinion, especially with the tinted against the red tinted black. If we come around to the back, you can still see the auto beam bulbs through the tint on the headlights, which I like, because standard lights, they're very, very bright from behind. This tail light does look a bit more tinted than the other one. It's because of the light, but as you can see, does a pretty good job. I've also got in there, I've got auto beams little reversing light as well. That's much more clearer at night. It's an ice white, so it gives a much better reversing light when you're looking out the back or in your mirrors. And if I walk close to the car, another little thing I've also done is put 2 red pinstripes on the little bridges on the actual spoiler. Just think it sets it off a bit different to normal ones. If I just go closer to the paint, you can probably see it's got a bit of a blue sparkle in this paint as well, which is really nice in the sunlight. I just put the headlights on. You might not be able to see much, but we'll give it a go. Let's just turn them on and put the fog lights on. Let's have a look. I've got the auto LED ice white bulbs as my normal headlights. And you probably can't really see much because of the sunlight, but as you can see, the fog lights are much clearer in my personal opinion. Just give the car a more modern look compared to the yellow halogen ones that come as standard. I've also changed another little thing on the car, the aerial. It does look like a bit of a go-kart when they come as standard, so I've changed it for a little short one. I think it was only £2 on eBay, but it works perfectly fine. DAB radio's fine, everything. So a good little buy that I would recommend. As you can see as well, for a black edition, it usually comes with a red 2 grille surrounds at the bottom. Mine's got the top black grille and then also the black grille at the bottom. I just changed that with a bit of red pinstripe tape just to give it the real little red touch at the bottom. There probably also are some other little mods I've done to the car as well. It's just trying to remember them all. What else? The sun strip as well. Before this I had Fiesta on its own, but I gave that a little bit of a change up and put black edition instead, just to highlight obviously what the model is, and I think it just stands out so much more. when you have a sun strip on your car. Another little thing I've also got is on the interior. I've got the CUK red bulb. That's front and also rear. These ones I haven't changed because otherwise it'll be too red in here, I think. I've also got the On It Calvin's Car Diaries auto beam sticker up there, an Eco Beast, and then a black lizard. The black lizard was on the outside of the car, but I moved it to the inside. I think that's overall everything that I've done to the car. And a little car cologne bottle at the minute, that's running out, as you can see. Really wraps up my first YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously it's a bit different for me, so the first video won't be the best, obviously, but there'll be some more videos coming. I think the next video will be the Q&A one, which I ask questions on my Instagram, so I've got some of them to answer, so that'll be probably the next video, and then I've got some more videos planned with it, but obviously the car is for sale, so it could be leaving any day now, really. I'm going to record as much as I can with it while it's here, and get the most out of it. If it doesn't sell, then I possibly will keep it and keep doing bits to it, because I do love the car. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Sorry about the cat, it's the quarantine haircut. Obviously can't have one at the minute, so got to cover it up. It does look a bit wonky, but that's because it's the camera's facing the other way, which is one thing I hate. But I hope you enjoyed this video of an overlook of my car, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.